and hair loss.
Oh, absolutely, we do. We know that when we fix the thyroid and the thyroid is in a better shape, let's say reduce inflammation and thyroid function can resume, or even if you're supplementing with thyroid supplements or even sometimes medication, you can get an improvement in your hair. So that's one of the things that we want to look for. There's no miracle cure for thyroid imbalance, and sometimes I think even if it's thyroid supplements or even medications, it's not really duplicating exactly how the thyroid was meant to work. If you think about the thyroid as kind of a thermostat, you want to keep the temperature at 72 degrees in your apartment or your house. Sometimes when you're on a thyroid supplement or medication, injection, whatever, the thyroid levels are bouncing up and down. And I'm not so sure the hair follicles like that either, to be
Right.
honest. But the alternative to have some very, very low thyroid or being even hyperthyroid can be detrimental to your hair as well as so many other organ systems. So you've got to take a look at that for sure.